everybody, welcome to Life Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're on week 10, March 11th of our decluttering and cleaning the house. And we're still in the laundry room or working with laundry all together. First thing we're going to do is make an area in the laundry room just for mismatched socks. And I'm using one of these drawers for mismatched socks. The other thing you need to do is set up this week, we're setting up an area where we can mend clothes before they go into the washer. And remember last week we set up an area for putting clothes that come out of the dryer that aren't ours, putting them in the drawer for the people to pick up where they belong and take them where they belong. So what we're also going to do this week is we're going to make sure we're going to go around the house, make sure there's a container for dirty laundry either in all the bathrooms or in each of the individual bedrooms, whichever one you feel like you want to do. But they need a place to put their dirty clothes so they can bring them in to be laundried. And what we're going to do is we're going to check those hampers or baskets or bins, wherever we're going to make sure that they're not dirty from mud or something that's dried off, and we're going to clean them, and we're going to make sure they're in good repair, and we'll make sure everyone has one. And then we're going to set up a system in the bedroom for clothes that you wear that aren't really dirty. Sometimes you can wear something 2 or 3 times before you have to wash it, but you have to know how many times you've worn it and whether it needs to be washed or not. And you just can't use the smell test all the time. So you need to set up a system that works. Now what I do in my bedroom, all the hangers go in one direction. And after I wear something, if it's been worn once, I'll turn the hanger and put it this way. That way I know that it's been worn at least once and needs to be possibly washed the next time I wear it. And the other thing I do is I put all the clothes, all the hangers are in this direction at the beginning of the year. And then as I wear something, I'll take it and I'll change the hanger this way. And I put a partition between the two things, like I'll use a different color hanger or something in between. And I know everything on this side has been worn already. And if it's been washed, I'll put the hanger back the original way. But it'll be on this side. So I know, hey, I've worn it, it's been washed, it's in this way. That way I keep track of which things I've worn, which ones I haven't worn. So at the end of the year, if I haven't picked up, say I haven't worn this dress for a year, I'll look at it and I'll say, well, why did I not wear it? Is it too small? Do I not like it? You know, what's the reasoning? And if it's just a special occasion dress that I just didn't have that occasion, then I'll keep it. If it's anything else and not, you know, I'll probably get rid of it. Probably. We all have that sentimental dress that we hold on to, hoping that one day we'll get skinny enough to get back into it. Shouldn't, but we do. It's just a woman thing, I think. I think it's this for me. Anyway, we're setting up a system for knowing when the clothes need to be washed or not. So that is basically, we're also going to set up a schedule, a laundry schedule. Now you may or may not need a schedule. At the beginning you probably might benefit from having a schedule. If you have a bunch of kids and you don't want to do all their laundry in one day, you might assign, hey, this child brings their clothes in on this day and we'll wash them. If he's capable of washing them, he brings his clothes in that day after school and wash them. If not, he knows to bring them there that morning. You'll wash them during the day or sometime, and he can pick them up that night and put them away. And you need an area where you can fold clothes. I have a table in here, and I also have the top of the sweater rack for drying that I can use for folding clothes. And so you need a place to fold clothes so you can fold them up, and then that way they can take them to the room and put them away. Now we have the folding area, but the place that we can put small items to help carry things, but we also have hooks up here and hangers up here so they can hang the clothes that they need to hang, and take the clothes to the room, and bring the old hangers that were originally on the clothes back in here. So we always have a rotating hangers so someone can take clothes back and forth. So you need to think about things like that. So it's really not much work this week. It's just mainly going around and doing a couple of 15-minute things. So to recap, we're going to make sure there's dirty clothes containers in the rooms and that those containers are in good shape and clean. We're going to set up a family schedule for when they need to bring in their clothes or when you're going to wash the clothes. We need to set up an area in the bedrooms for clothes that have been worn but aren't really dirty enough to be washed. We're going to set up a system for putting away the clothes, for folding the clothes, and we're going to make a container for socks that don't match, and we're going to make a place to mend the clothes. So, not much physical work, just a little bit. Just a matter of going around and checking things. And it's starting to get spring, so we need to get outside and start doing some work outside too. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next week when we continue our journey of cleaning and decluttering the house. Think big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.